Ever wondered how the wealthy invest their money? It's not just about buying stocks and real estate. In fact, the strategies they use might surprise you. Did you know that the top 1% of investors often outperform the average investor by more than 7% per year? According to a study by Yale University, they achieve this through unique and unconventional methods. For instance, while most people panic during market crashes, the rich see opportunities. During the 2008 financial crisis, savvy investors bought stocks at rock-bottom prices, and many doubled their money within a few years. And it's not just about timing. The wealthy also invest in hidden markets and alternative assets that most people have never even heard of. In this video, we'll uncover 9 secrets of how the wealthy invest. You'll learn why they often go against the grain, how they find untapped markets, and the exclusive networks they leverage. We'll also dive into their long-term strategies that build generational wealth and their growing interest in impact investing. Ready to unlock these secrets? Let's dive in and discover how the rich grow their wealth and secure their financial futures. Chapter 1: The Art of Contrarian Investing. Why the rich swim against the tide. Contrarian investing is the practice of going against the prevailing market trends. Wealthy investors are known for this strategy. Warren Buffett, for example, famously said, "Be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful." This mindset helps the wealthy find opportunities where others see risk. One key to contrarian investing is patience. Wealthy investors wait for the right moment, buying when prices are low. During the 2008 financial crisis, many wealthy investors bought undervalued stocks. Their patience paid off when the market recovered. Another aspect is research. The rich don't follow the crowd blindly. They analyze the market, looking for undervalued assets. This approach often leads them to invest in sectors others overlook. For instance, during the tech boom, some wealthy investors put their money into energy stocks, which were undervalued at the time. It's also about having the courage to act. When everyone else is selling, the rich buy. This takes confidence and a deep understanding of market cycles. Studies show that contrarian investors often outperform the market. According to a study by Ned Davis Research, stocks with the highest levels of bearish sentiment tend to outperform the market by 6.6% over the following year. Contrarian investing isn't about being different for the sake of it. It's about seeing value where others don't. This strategy requires a thick skin. Not all contrarian bets pay off immediately. But the wealthy understand the long game. They know that patience and perseverance can lead to substantial rewards. Chapter 2: Hidden Gems. The untapped markets the rich are betting on. Wealthy investors often look for hidden gems, markets and industries that are under the radar. One example is frontier markets. These are smaller, less accessible markets that have significant growth potential. Rich investors see them as opportunities for high returns. Consider the renewable energy sector. While it's gaining popularity now, wealthy investors started investing years ago. According to Bloomberg New Energy Finance, global investment in renewable energy reached $332.1 billion in 2018, a 5% increase from the previous year. Early investors in this sector have seen substantial returns. Another untapped market is space exploration. Companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are leading the way. The wealthy see the potential for profit in space tourism and satellite technology. Morgan Stanley estimates that the space economy could generate over $1 trillion in revenue by 2040. Biotechnology is another area of interest. Advances in gene editing and personalized medicine offer promising investment opportunities. Wealthy investors are funding startups in this field, anticipating breakthroughs that could revolutionize healthcare. Investing in water is also gaining traction. With water scarcity becoming a global issue, the demand for clean water solutions is rising. Wealthy investors are putting their money into companies that provide innovative water technologies. These hidden gems aren't always easy to find. They require extensive research and a willingness to take risks. But the potential rewards can be enormous. The wealthy understand this and are always on the lookout for the next big opportunity. Chapter 3: Mastering the Macro. How billionaires predict economic shifts. Billionaires have a knack for predicting economic shifts. They use macroeconomic trends to guide their investments. This involves analyzing factors like interest rates, inflation, and global trade. One strategy is to follow central bank policies. When central banks lower interest rates, it usually signals economic growth. Wealthy investors often increase their investments in stocks and real estate during these periods. Conversely, when rates rise, they might shift to bonds or other fixed-income securities. Another approach is to watch for geopolitical events. Trade wars, elections, and international conflicts can all impact markets. Wealthy investors keep an eye on these events and adjust their portfolios accordingly. For example, during the US-China trade war, many shifted their investments to regions less affected by the tariffs. Inflation is another key factor. When inflation is high, the purchasing power of money decreases. Wealthy investors often hedge against inflation by investing in assets like gold and real estate. According to the World Gold Council, gold has historically maintained its value during inflationary periods. Globalization trends also play a role. The wealthy look for opportunities in emerging markets where economic growth is rapid. They diversify their portfolios to include investments in countries with strong growth prospects. Finally, they rely on expert analysis. Wealthy investors often have access to top economists and financial advisors. They use this expertise to make informed decisions. This helps them stay ahead of economic shifts and capitalize on new trends. Mastering the macro requires staying informed and being proactive. Billionaires use a combination of data analysis, expert advice, and market intuition. This helps them predict economic shifts and make strategic investments. Chapter 4: Private Equity Plays. Inside the exclusive world of high-stakes investments. Private equity is a major player in the investment strategies of the wealthy. Unlike public markets, private equity involves investing directly in private companies. This can lead to high returns, but it also comes with higher risks. One of the key strategies in private equity is buyouts. Wealthy investors purchase struggling companies, improve their operations, and sell them at a profit. According to Bain & Company, global private equity buyout value reached $551 billion in 2019, showing the scale of these investments. Another strategy is venture capital. This involves funding startups with high growth potential. Wealthy investors often get in early, helping these companies scale. A famous example is early investments in companies like Uber and Airbnb, which yielded significant returns for initial investors. Private equity also focuses on long-term growth. Unlike public markets where investors might seek quick gains, private equity investors often hold onto their investments for several years. This allows time to implement changes and realize value. Operational improvements are another key aspect. Private equity firms often bring in experienced managers to revamp company operations. This hands-on approach can turn around underperforming businesses. Diversification within private equity is also important. Wealthy investors spread their investments across various sectors and regions to mitigate risks. This way, if one investment doesn't perform well, others might offset the losses. Private equity isn't accessible to everyone. It often requires significant capital and a deep understanding of business operations. However, for those who can afford it, the potential rewards are substantial. The wealthy understand this and leverage private equity to build their fortunes. Chapter 5: Alternative Assets. Investing beyond stocks and real estate. The wealthy don't limit themselves to traditional investments like stocks and real estate. They diversify their portfolios with alternative assets, which can offer high returns and reduce risk. Art is one popular alternative asset. According to the Art Market 2020 report, the global art market was valued at $64.1 billion. Wealthy investors often buy high-value pieces that appreciate over time. Art can also provide tax benefits and act as a hedge against inflation. Collectibles like rare coins, stamps, and vintage cars are also favored by the rich. These items can appreciate significantly in value. For instance, a 1933 double eagle coin sold for $7.6 million in 2002, showing the potential for huge returns. Cryptocurrency has become another hot alternative asset. Bitcoin, for example, saw its value skyrocket from $1,000 in early 2017 to over $60,000 by April 2021. Wealthy investors often allocate a small portion of their portfolios to cryptocurrencies due to their high volatility and potential for massive gains. Hedge funds are another vehicle for alternative investments. These funds use advanced strategies like derivatives, short selling, and leverage to generate returns. According to Preechen, hedge funds managed $3.8 trillion in assets as of 2020, highlighting their popularity among the wealthy. Real assets, such as timberland and farmland, also attract wealthy investors. These assets provide stable returns and are less correlated with traditional markets. According to the National Council of Real Estate Investment Fiduciaries, timberland returned an average of 8.3% per year from 1987 to 2017. Investing in alternative assets requires expertise and due diligence. The wealthy often rely on specialized advisors to navigate these markets. This helps them identify opportunities and avoid potential pitfalls. By diversifying into alternative assets, the rich protect their wealth and enhance their investment portfolios. Chapter 6: The Power of Patience. Long-term investments that build generational wealth. Patience is a virtue, especially when it comes to building wealth. Wealthy investors understand the power of long-term investments and how they can build generational wealth. One common strategy is investing in blue-chip stocks. These are shares of large, well-established companies with a history of reliable performance. Companies like Coca-Cola and Johnson & Johnson are examples. Over time, these stocks provide steady growth and dividends. Real estate is another long-term investment favored by the rich. They buy properties in prime locations and hold onto them for years. This allows the properties to appreciate in value, generating significant returns over time. According to the Federal Reserve, real estate has historically returned about 6% per year. Wealthy investors also focus on compound interest. They reinvest their earnings to grow their wealth exponentially. Albert Einstein reportedly called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. A small investment can grow substantially over decades through the power of compounding. Bonds, especially municipal bonds, are another long-term investment. They provide a steady income stream and are generally low risk. Wealthy investors often include bonds in their portfolios to balance risk and ensure stable returns. Diversification is key to long-term investing. The rich spread their investments across various asset classes to reduce risk. This way, if one investment underperforms, others can compensate. Wealthy investors also stay the course during market volatility. They understand that markets fluctuate and are not swayed by short-term movements. This patience allows them to ride out downturns and benefit from long-term growth. Family businesses are another way the wealthy build generational wealth. They invest time and resources into growing their businesses, which they pass down to their children. According to a study by Credit Suisse, 90% of global businesses are family-owned, highlighting their importance in wealth generation. Long-term investments require discipline and a clear strategy. Wealthy investors plan for the future, focusing on sustainable growth. This approach helps them build wealth that lasts for generations. By staying patient and committed to their strategies, they ensure financial security for themselves and their descendants. Chapter 7: Global Diversification: How the Rich Hedge Against Domestic Risks. Global diversification is a key strategy for wealthy investors. By spreading their investments across different countries and regions, they reduce the risks associated with any single market. One approach is to invest in emerging markets. These countries have rapidly growing economies and offer high potential returns. According to the International Monetary Fund, emerging markets are expected to grow by 4.9% in 2022, compared to 3.6% for advanced economies. Wealthy investors see this as an opportunity to boost their returns. Currency diversification is another tactic. By holding assets in multiple currencies, the wealthy protect themselves against currency fluctuations. This can be especially important during times of economic instability. For example, during the 2008 financial crisis, the US dollar appreciated against many currencies, benefiting those who held assets in dollars. Investing in international stocks is also common. Wealthy investors buy shares of companies based outside their home country. This not only diversifies their portfolios but also exposes them to growth opportunities in other markets. According to the MSCI All-Country World Index, global stocks have outperformed US stocks in several periods over the past 2 decades. Real estate is another avenue for global diversification. Wealthy investors purchase properties in various countries to spread their risk. This can also provide a hedge against domestic market downturns. For example, London and New York have long been popular destinations for international real estate investors. Global bonds are another option. These bonds offer exposure to international interest rates and economic conditions. Wealthy investors use them to balance their portfolios and provide stable income. According to the World Bank, The global bond market is valued at over $100 trillion, highlighting its significance. Access to international markets requires expertise and resources. Wealthy investors often work with global financial advisors to navigate these opportunities. This helps them make informed decisions and avoid potential pitfalls. By diversifying globally, the rich hedge against domestic risks and enhance their investment returns.